Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an extremely enormous manner. Velo truly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in a truly significant manner. Velo's EMA10 generally shows a sort of descending pattern, or so they in a real sense thought. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which in every practical sense is very huge. 01 October 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through Velo cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part clarified some pressing issues, facts, what essentially is by and large transient cost expectation for Velo. For the most part is Velo a kind of wise interest in a by and large significant manner. Velo support and opposition levels and so on, which especially is very critical. However, prior to jumping profound into the Velo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us certainly to discuss the very current economic situations, which fundamentally is very huge. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,082,486,145,595 by and large further appearance, how 01 October 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what generally is momentary cost expectation for Velo, explicitly is Velo a wise speculation, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. The especially all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $28,442,159,686, which all things considered, is very huge. Bitcoin shares 48.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, exhibiting that Velo has a medium-term opposition at $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16%, or so they truly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value lessening of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.15, following a value change of 0.76% within a similar time period, so Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 0.13 and at present exchanging at 52 cents in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which especially is genuinely huge. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market really is going in an especially descending heading for sort of transient in an especially large manner. Right now, a by and large broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.15, following a value change of 0.76% within a similar time span, so Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense is very critical. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, most certainly further appearance how which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16%, which truly is genuinely huge. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers certainly become certainly more most certainly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 0.37%, coming to $1,674.25 during the past 24 hours. Which in every practical sense is very critical. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which merchants explicitly become move certainly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially higher incredibly. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Velo. Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo really is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in a kind of huge manner. However, Velo explicitly has a value decline of 5.82% in the last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with an essentially all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in a kind of huge manner. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 01 October 2023, inside a sort of day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, showing how Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Sort of additional appearance how which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16% in a kind of enormous manner. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving kind of normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Velo in an extremely large manner for the most part. The by and large relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI really is a 30, or so they fundamentally thought. The Velo United States dollar moving truly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, marker, truly is showing in every practical sense, present moment essentially sell really signal, as the MACD line sort of is moving beneath, especially signal line which fundamentally implies explicitly bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout. Exhibiting how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Velo specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense discuss the especially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. While Velo's Williams %R pointer in every practical sense is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition and truly momentary pattern in every practical sense, inversion generally is conceivable, so which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,116.71 level after a vertical development of 0.16% in an unobtrusive manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical course, sort of additional appearance, how Velo's EMA10, in a real sense, shows a for the most part descending pattern, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Velo fundamentally is moving in genuinely descending heading as generally bears effectively truly take the coin beneath prompt help level of $0.004, so Bitcoin shares 48.85% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that Velo in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Presently Velo ought to